Hi, friends.
Welcome to beautiful Cupids, Newfoundland. Cupids is the oldest continuously settled British colony in Canada. Established in 1610 by John Guy, an Englishman, this quaint town has been known by many names, including Cuper's Cove and Coopers. In 2009, Cupids had a royal visit from the Prince of Wales and the Duchess of Cornwall. The following year, the town celebrated its 400th anniversary with guests from around the globe, including Canadian Governor-General Michael Jean. To mark this special occasion, Canada Post released a commemorative stamp. A must-visit spot is the Cupids Legacy Centre, which opened in 2010. This centre features a top-notch museum, an archaeology lab, and the enchanting fairy garden. You can also explore the Family History Archive and the spacious Legacy Hall. With a small but vibrant population of 699 people, Cupids offers a warm and welcoming community. The town sits on the scenic Conception Bay, providing stunning views and a peaceful atmosphere.